Hello everyone, this is Labdi Deliwala here and welcome to my YouTube channel Learning and Growing. So before we go ahead with today's topic, let me just tell you what is my YouTube channel all about. So my videos will be very informative and it would be very helpful to all the people. The topic of the video will be on communication skills, marketing, sales, business, law, travel, interviews, how to speak, how to communicate well. So all these are the normal topics which is going to be helpful to each and every individual. So stay tuned, subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay connected. So in today's video, I'm going to cover all the topic regarding will. What is will, how to make will, and how does that will become a legal document. So let's see what is will and why is will so important to make. So I would like to give an example. There is one man, Mr. Prakash Joshi. Mr. Prakash Joshi is 60 years old. He has one son and one daughter. Now, Mr. Prakash has one flat in Andheri, one flat in Malad, one flat in Goregaon. Mr. Prakash Joshi has a 50 lakh rupees diamond jewelry set. Mr. Prakash Joshi has 10 lakh rupees gold set, and Mr. Prakash Joshi has 50 lakh rupees FD in Kotak Mahindra Bank. Now Mr. Prakash Joshi is thinking that I'm already 60 years old and I may die anytime. So he's thinking that I have so many property and what will happen to my property after my death. So he is very smart and he's very clear in his mind that all my property will belong to my son and my daughter and no third person can claim my property. So he is smartly thinking to execute a will. So Mr. Prakash has executed a will and Mr. Prakash has given so and so property to his son and so property to his daughter. Now Mr. Prakash is thinking that what if, like, after I go, somebody tears the will or burn it or steal it? What will happen in that scenario? There would be no legal document which will show that the properties belongs to my son and daughter. So in that scenario, again Mr. Prakash Joshi is thinking smartly, and what does he do? He has executed a will, he has written a will, and now he is going to registrar to register the will. So now registration of will is done, and now Mr. Prakash Joshi is relaxed that now even if this will is torn or stolen or burned or anything happens to this will, I am relaxed because there is already one copy in registrar and nobody can claim on my property. It belongs to my son and it belongs to my daughter. No third person can claim the entire property. Not even my son can claim the entire property. My daughter cannot claim the entire property. What is given to my daughter will be given to my daughter. What is given to my son will be given to my son only. And now Mr. Prakash Joshi is very happy because he has executed the will. His property is safe, secured, and now he is very happy. So this is why registration of will is very important, because in future if it gets damaged, stolen or torn, you have one copy already in registrar and that becomes very legal to show in the court. So now let's see the step-by-step procedure of how to execute a will, what are the things to be remembered while drafting a will, and what is the entire procedure of registering
The person who
the
wants to
will.
make the will is called testator. So here in our example, Mr. Prakash Joshi was the testator. Who can make the will? Testator himself or by the lawyer according to the instruction of testator. So now these are very important things to be kept in mind while making a will. First thing is it should specify that the document is the last will and testament executed by the testator along with the full details of the testator. So here it says that there should be no other document apart from this will in which the testator has mentioned about his property, about the rights of the property. This should be the last will and testament executed by the testator. There should be no other document other than this. In the will, there should be a complete details of all the property owned by the testator. The second point is the name of the executor along with the complete details like age and residence, and also mention executor's relationship to the testator if any. So here who is executor? Executor is the person to whom the property is given. So in our example, Mr. Joshi's son and daughter were the executor because the property was given to them. Mr. Joshi was the testator and his son and daughter were the executor.
the details of the family or person to whom the property is being bequeathed in the will. Now, this point is very important. It is necessary to specify the statement that with free will and volition and sound state of mind, the property is being bequeathed. So, here the statement is very important because it says that while making a will, the testator should be in complete sound state of mind. He should have 100% of his consent. There should be no burden or force of third party to make a will. So, it should be his consent 100%. It should be specified that the will shall come into force after the death of the testator and as revocable at any time as per the testator's wish. Now, this point is very important. A schedule describing in detail all the properties of the testator is to be specified. A schedule should typically contain total extent, survey, numbers, boundaries, the type of land and its situate along with its document number. It is to be noted that a schedule contains immovable and movable property, both tangible and intangible, such as shares owned. So basically, here in this point, they have shared that there should be a complete details about the testator's property, about tangible property, intangible property, movable, immovable property. There should be complete details with documents. Signature of the testator along with date and place of execution of the will is to be specified. The witness signatures or marks against their photograph in the final space of the will attesting that the document was signed in their presence by the testator. So this is also very important. The witness sign should also be there and the execution of the will should be done in presence of witness. So here comes registration of will. Will is to be registered at the office of sub-registrar of assurance, which is in the jurisdiction of the residence of the person who made the will. Once a will is registered, it is placed in the safe custody of the registrar and cannot be tampered with, destroyed, mutilated or stolen. However, non-registration of will does not lead to any interference against its genuineness. It does not have to be executed before a notary public. So this was all about will. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such informative videos. So this was all about will. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such informative videos.